In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use the OR operator in MongoDB. Let's say we have this scenario. We have an e-commerce application. We have a super admin. A super admin wants to see the pending orders, all pending orders for a specific country. He also want to see the orders of a specific country, plus he also want to see all the pending orders. When you have this type of scenario, you use the OR operator in MongoDB. Like, I want to fetch all the pending orders plus all the orders or bookings of a specific country. In our scenario, let's say a user has put the UK as a country and pending orders filter. So you use basically the OR operator in this case, db.getCollection, orders, insert, not an insert. I want to fetch all the bookings. Here you use the OR operator. If you want to use the OR operator, you need to provide the array and your first criteria object status should be pending, and another object, another criteria, these are all the OR conditions. Country should be UK. So here I'm telling to MongoDB, please give me all the orders, pending orders who has status pending orders, plus all the orders who has country, who belongs to UK country. Let's execute that. And you should see I have ongoing bookings, UK, pending, completed. I got all the bookings of the UK, 1, 2, 3. I have 3 bookings of the UK and 1 with status pending. So I got the 4 records. I think I have couple of records. I used insert many times. So I got all the bookings or the orders with status pending and the country with UK. Similarly, you can also use both and the OR. So I have this data. Now let's say you can also use the AND operator here. Let's say a user has logged in or customer has logged in, customer ID which is 1, and customer also want to see the pending orders plus the orders for specific country. This time we have to use the AND condition with customer ID. Customer wants to see only his orders, not other customers. So we have to use the AND in this case. db.getCollection, orders, dot find. We have to use the OR operator. It's an array. First criteria object is pending and the other criteria object country, which is UK. Here you can use the AND operator. Outside the OR, it should be treated as a AND. I can say customer ID, which is 1. Now I'm telling to MongoDB, give me all the bookings with status pending and country UK. And here it will be used plus sign, like plus pending bookings plus country booking belongs to specific UK country and the booking for a specific customer. Now you will see the customer ID 1, customer ID 1, customer ID 1. This is how you will use OR and the AND.